We're at the old railroad bridge on the Sheffield side. And over there is Florence, Alabama on the other side of the bridge. Now, this old bridge has been here a long time. And she's going to get a picture of the pillars there. They've been there since the Civil War. This bridge in particular has not. Now, long before it was a bridge location, it was used as a river crossing for the Creek, Cherokee, and Chickasaw Indians right in this area. In 1840, a bridge was built and the stone pillars were formed. And they're still here today. And you can see them right down there. Okay. In 1850 and 1854, it was severely hit by tornadoes. In 1860, it was reopened to 3 modes of traffic: pedestrian, horse-drawn carriages, and steam-powered railroad trains. Early in the Civil War, on March 18, 1862, General Albert Sidney Johnson ordered the bridge burned. After that, a series of ferries were used, and some were destroyed by the Yankees and others by Confederates. Now, there was a floating bridge built here in 1864 with John Bell Hood so he could get his troops across and fight the Battle of Franklin later on in November 30th of 1864. There were 29,000 Confederates camped on this side of this bridge crossing. They assembled before they crossed over the river to go battle in the Battle of Franklin. So the bridge was burned, it was gone. Of course, this bridge wasn't here, but the pillars remained, and that's what they used to attach their ferries to so they could get the Confederate Army across. Alright. During Reconstruction, it was rebuilt. The top was used for trains, and then the bottom was used for pedestrian traffic. One span of the bridge gave way to a steam locomotive early in May 1892. Although it was partially reopened to traffic after a few months, it took about 10 years to get it totally reconstructed, or total restoration. It was used by streetcars or electric cars for transportation from 1904 until 1933. But the demise of the bridge began with the opening of the new O'Neill Bridge, October 26, 1939. The final blow to the current bridge was in 1976 when the TVA and phosphate furnaces at Muscle Shoals were phased out. Now, when the TVA closed that, mining in Middle Tennessee kind of went away and eliminated freight traffic across the bridge. A section of the bridge, and I'm assuming it's the piece down here at the end that's missing, was relocated to Hannibal, Missouri in the spring of 1992. The old Railroad Bridge Company Incorporated was formed with the purpose of preserving a historic landmark. After many years of hard work, it is now preserved for all prosperity. As you can see, this is amazing construction. Said pillars have been here since the Civil War. It's amazing to look at. Those are the pillars from the Civil War right down there. Come out here to Florence and Sheffield, check this historic landmark out. God bless.